the morning light, to banner fair, to follow you softly in the cold mountain air. Through the forest, down to your grave, where the birds lay and the tall grasses wave. They do not know you anymore. Dear the shadow alive and well, how can the body die? You tell me everything, anything true. In the town one morning I went, staggering through premonitions of my death. I don't see anybody that's dear to me. Dear the shadow alive and well, how can the body die? You tell me anything, everything true. Well, I don't know what I have done. I'm turning my steps